If you're seeing the Base4448 error, don't worry, in this video I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting process, and it usually comes down to reverting the last action, refreshing the page properly, and checking the browser console for errors. If this helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the last prompt or action you performed in Base44. Under that last prompt, you should see a Revert button. Click that Revert button to undo the most recent change. This is important because the error may have started after that action, and reverting it can immediately clear the issue. Once that's done, the next step is to do a hard refresh in your browser. Press Ctrl, Shift, and R on your keyboard at the same time. This forces the browser to reload everything fresh instead of using cached data, which can often fix weird errors that are stuck on the page. After the hard refresh, take a moment to check whether the error is gone. If it is, you're finished. If not, we'll do the next step. Press F12 on your keyboard to open the developer tools. Then go to the console tab and check for any error messages. Look carefully for red errors, warning messages, or anything that looks unusual. If you see an error in the console, copy it and ask the AI chat to resolve it for you. Give it the exact error details so it can help identify what went wrong and suggest the correct fix. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the Base4448 error quickly. Revert the last prompt, hard refresh the page, and inspect the console if the issue remains. And that's it, a simple way to troubleshoot the Base4448 error without wasting time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.